We're in downtown Thibodaux, Louisiana. Now, we're crossing what used to be, right here, the main street. That was the only way into Thibodaux, was up that canal. So this right here is the heart of the old city. You can see how they're trying to build a road in this area. But if you look right there, the bayou running alongside, it wasn't maybe 30, 40 years ago, that was the highway, right there, right there. Then they come back and put this little 2-lane road. Now they're trying to enlarge it. And I see in front of us, I'm fairly certain they're doing bridges. But if you look on both sides of the road, people, we're in swamp. I mean, that's all there is to it. We're in the swamp. Over the years, they've changed it, dug it, cleaned it out, filled it in, and it's going away fast. But this is part of the old Virgin Louisiana swamp. So anyway, continue on with the swamp scenes. This is a new bridge they're building, and it's hard to see out there. But these bayous, 50, 60 years ago, were the only roads back through the swamp. You can see out in front, right side and left side, it's just plain old mud and black gumbo mud. They just have trouble walking through. So that's where the P-roads come in handy. There it is, people. It won't be much longer. They'll be going right out through there, building subdivisions and stores.